the author of the cookbook Food with My Friends. I'm also a chef here at the Viking Culinary Center, and right now we're going to do how to make watermelon shooters with my good friend Corey Beiersdorf. Now Corey is a media trainer and a casting director, but she's also really experienced in making great shooters. So Corey, if you could show us how to make watermelon shooters.
Sure. You know, it's actually really easy to make any kind of watermelon shooter, any kind of shooter in general, because there are only 3 ingredients that you really need. You need to have your gelatin, you need to have your liquid, which is usually your boiling water, and then you need to have your other liquid, which could be anything from alcohol to mixers to fruit juice, whatever you want to add in to add up to that extra cup of water.
What kind of alcohol do you recommend?
Well, since we're talking watermelon, we're going to talk about watermelon vodka, which is really going to help to add a kick to the watermelon gelatin that we're using.
Fantastic. Let's get started.
Okay, so what we have here is we have 1 cup of boiling water that has been added to the watermelon gelatin, and you just want to make sure that that dissolves. And then you're going to add in your other cup of 1 cup of liquid. So for us right now, what we have is actually we've done 3/4 of a cup of watermelon vodka, and we actually tried to mix it up a little bit, so we added 1/4 of a cup of raspberry flavored vodka. So we're just going to add that in to our other liquid.
Gosh, this is so simple.
It's extremely simple. There's nothing hard about this, and anybody can make these. And they're so great for all different events. You could use them for your backyard barbecue, tailgating, any sort of party you're going to have that you want to just kick it up a notch.
And it smells like very fresh and very berry and very light, very fruity.
Exactly. So now what we have here, we've mixed it all together and it's all incorporated. And then we're just going to add it into our cups. And what we've done is we've sprayed these with cooking spray beforehand to make sure that when you want to actually eat your shooter, you're going to be able to get it out. And we're just going to mix them in. You don't want to fill them up too full, but you want to make sure that everybody gets a good amount. And these are going to actually then set for about 3 to 4 hours, depending on how set you want them. Sometimes you might want them a little bit looser.
Just like regular gelatin that you make in the refrigerator.
Exactly, and like we said, there are so many different things you can add to this. If you wanted to change the flavor up, you could make it watermelon with some raspberry, you could make it watermelon with some lime, you can, any kind of flavor combinations you want. Strawberry would be really great too.
Well, Corey, these are absolutely adorable. They are beautiful, and I can't wait to dive in. Thank you so much for sharing.
I can't wait to try these later on.
Well, thank you for sharing your watermelon shooter recipes. I'm Chris Kohatsu, and thank you for watching.